What's his name?
Old boy.
So today I will be cleaning out my car, but I'm just waiting for my mother to come back, and I'm gonna go around back to clean the car out. Plus, she's doing the most. Like, I'm never gonna get this car cleaned with her in here. So I'm gonna wait till my mother get home. Then I'm gonna do it. Cause it's actually 69 degrees outside. It don't really feel like 69. It's a little still chilly. But then again, how does 69 really feel? People just drive so crazy on this block. It's sad. That's why I'm definitely not gonna clean my car out front. Because they drive too crazy on this block. They'll take my door off. Like, they driving so close to me now. This is how the car looks. This is what I'm really concerned and worried about. Like, damn. Over there. I just took a big old bag in the house. That's trash. Put it back. Let me hurry up, y'all, because get her out the car. Because she gonna take my stuff and just do anything with it. Let me show y'all the floor. It no longer feel good outside. And I left the trash bag in the house. I think I'm excited to record because I live in the hood and I don't want nobody coming by to snatch me up. It's freezing out here. It was good earlier, but it ain't good no more. So I actually got all this stuff for $20, and so I bought multi-purpose towel. I actually bought a pack of 40s, and they only gave me, oh, it is 4. I was about to say, but I did buy them in multicolored. So we're just gonna see. Dang. I got a lot of dust and dirt in this car. And this is just for y'all to see me clean my car. Because I have not cleaned my car since I had my car. And if you can see, it's a little messy. So I already showed y'all the before and after. Now let's get to it. I bought this stuff. I saw somebody on YouTube use it. We're going to see how we do. It do dash, glass, navigation, and more. So we're going to spray this and see how it goes. And I bought this for my, I actually bought this for my carpet. I'm about to say, because that's not what they show on this thing. This is for my carpet. And the guy had this for, like, I guess the little tiny crevices. So yeah, I do need to run back in the house and get me a trash bag. So I am going to do that. Hopefully nobody steals my phone while I'm in there. I gotta wash my back, y'all. to finish another day though. Cause this shit is just not working out. Yo, I'm prepared to beat a bitch ass. I swear I am. He walking down the street with a motherfucking mask on. How you walking down the street with a motherfucking mask on? You outside. You don't need no motherfucking mask on outside. It's him looking this way. I'm about to be done. I need a gun. I need a fucking gun. I need to beat these bitches' asses. I need a motherfucking gun, y'all. So I can shoot these motherfuckers that play with me. Because, Because, bitch, bye. What you up down the street with a mask on for? What you walking down the street with a motherfucking mask on for? I'm gonna cuss my baby father out because first of all, he said he was coming. He was coming here, right? He said he was coming here, y'all. We're supposed to watch my back now when I'm in the car. He said he was coming here. And he ain't even show up. I'm throwing the hell out this car, man. I ain't even had to pay nobody to do this shit. I don't never have to pay. Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna beat the shit out this boy in 2 seconds. So, okay. So we back in the car, right? We're back in the car, okay? And who the fuck? We're back in the car, right? And it's the same boy. It's like he fucking circled the block. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. To the schedule program, like I told y'all, my baby father, piece of shit. And he don't ever answer the phone. So, shit. I don't know. Like, he's a piece of shit. And he does never answer the phone. I just left my man outside and everything just to jump back in the car. Because, bitch, no. He's not about to keep playing around with me. So, I'm gonna start vacuuming sitting in the car. Because, yeah, I will pull off on these motherfuckers out this bitch. I definitely will. I will pull off in a heartbeat. And beat his ass with this broken ass. Vacuum cleaner. Okay, now it's officially done. So, I'm really about to go in the house now. And put this thing on charge because it's about to get dark soon and the rats be running. Bro, it's everybody for me. Everybody is walking these streets of Baltimore with masks on. And it's not like the mask. It's the goddamn black ski mask. Like, I'm ready to beat a bitch ass. I swear I am. Pow, 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 pow. Beat your bitch ass up. Alright, so y'all, I am about to take my ass around front because somebody else mess with me. It's like, it do seem like people fucking with me out here though. So I'm about to take my ass around front because I'm scared. It's getting cold out here though, so I just might give it a rest today. Tomorrow's gonna be 47 or 42 or some shit. So that ain't gonna do me no good to come out here cleaning. It's gonna be too damn cold. So I kinda do wanna get this shit done now. But yeah. But yeah, we get in the car. Cause yeah. There was somebody right there coming across the parking lot. And yeah. I just don't be trusting these people. Who do I really be giving a fuck? So, we finna go around the front. We finna go around the front. And yeah. Finish this shit out front because I just don't have time. Like, you know, people nowadays, they so broke, they so bummy to the point that they will actually just, instead of them trying to go find and do the same shit that you doing to get your stuff, they'll just take it from you. And I hate that for them. I really like, it's so many different ways you can fucking scam out this bitch. It's like, how are you broke? Honestly, how are you broke? If you can steal, you can scam. So the real question is, baby, how are you broke? Because bitch, you'll literally do anything to get something. Literally anything. I mean any fucking thing. You'll literally do anything to get by. So you being broke, and there's so many ways to scam and all this other shit, that just says something about your character. That just says your character is pretty fucking shitty. And to me. And that ain't a good trait to have. That is not a good trait to have. I swear. But yeah, y'all, I'm really trying to get everything done before I go into labor. Like, I'm 36 weeks today. So, I want to make sure I have everything done. Like, I don't want to have to... Oh, gosh. I want to make sure my car is clean and everything. I never got the chance to I never even got a chance to show y'all, but it's kind of done my wheel a little justice. He did say it doesn't give the shine that you really would want. Well, this is what this thing right here is for. Actually, it's supposed to get into the little crevices and stuff, but I haven't been using it. That's how that look. I just wiped that off. I didn't wipe this part off. I do want to vacuum. I want to vacuum all this. But y'all see this part. I'm going to show y'all before and after this. I do want to wipe my dashboard off. It's stuck right there. I do want to wipe this door off. It's like... Like I said, from now on out, I'll just be doing, what's it called? I'm going to just be doing before and after. Because I just want to get this over with. The challenge was to have this done before the sun went down. But as long as it look like I just got this car, I really don't care. I'm tired of riding around how I've been riding around, just in filth. And, yeah. It's getting there. First of all, I didn't even know this shit was like this under here. And that just blew my mind, honestly. I never knew this even looked like this. So, I'm going to vacuum this out also. Because I'm ready to book me, period. It's a little smudge to that stuff with this stuff. But, well, let me see. If you take a dry one, does it smudge it out? He did say that you need a dry one to buffer it out. So he definitely just buffered it out. So yeah, I like this though. I like it. So I done did most of the car. I done vacuumed everything. I done did everything but the passenger. But I be the only one in the car, so I'm not really tripping off the passenger just yet. But I definitely want to get to the passenger side. So I'm going to leave all the stuff in here. This is going to be the dry. I'm going to leave the dry one right here. But yeah. Sorry. It's not much left to see at this point because it's just the same old, you know, back and forth. So, yeah. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have a whole lot of pregnancy videos coming, y'all. But when I'm gonna upload it, mind your business. When I upload it, y'all gonna just think I'm still pregnant.